Meaning of drugstore.
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 Drugstore. A drugstore is a retail store that sells pharmaceutical drugs, as well as a range of other products such as over-the-counter medications, health and beauty items, personal care products, cosmetics, and sometimes groceries. In addition to providing medications and healthcare products, drugstores can also offer services such as prescription fulfillment, medication therapy management, and health screenings. Drugstores are often found in urban areas and are increasingly being incorporated into larger retail chains. They play an important role in providing accessible healthcare products and services to communities.